Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'd like to test out GPT 5.1 Codex Max. So that's the latest Codex Agentic coding model from OpenAI. So it says here, Codex is now powered by GPT 5.1 Codex Max, our latest frontier agentic coding model. It is smarter and faster than its predecessors and capable of long-running project scale work. Okay, let's try this out. Try new model now. Okay, so this is the context. We can put our prompt here. What I'm going to do is that I will give it the prompt to create my personal finance manager. So in my last video, I created a personal finance manager with Antigravity. That's Google's agentic workflow IDE development platform. So now we're going to test out OpenAI's 5.1 Codex Max. Just gonna put in the requirements here. And what do we have? Can I change it to, okay guys, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it agentic full access. Okay, in my last videos, I just tried out the chat model. Okay, I'm in the chat option. I can either go to agent, read and edit files and run commands, or I am going to go on to full, I'll give the agent full access. So that means Codex can edit files outside this workspace and run commands with network access. Exercise caution when using this. That's fine for me because this is my development computer. I just test the new applications and AI stuff that comes out. So in terms of security, I'm good. So we're going to test this one out. Agent full access. I gave it the requirement. Okay, let me see. Enable full access. When Codex runs with full access, it can edit any file on your computer and run commands with network without your approval. Exercise caution when enabling full access. This significantly increases the risk of data loss, leaks, or unexpected behavior. Like I said, this is my test computer, so we're all good. I'll say yes, continue anyway. We are running on full access, Codex Max, GPT 5.1 Codex Max. Reasoning, we put it to medium. We leave it at medium, and let's test this thing. Let's go. Gosh, what's wrong with this app? Oh my goodness. Okay, guys. Yeah, so I just used what's it called? Codex GPT 5.1 Codex Max, the latest from OpenAI. So this is OpenAI's GPT 5.1 Codex Max, their new frontier agentic coding model. Yeah, so I put in my requirements, and it developed this app for me, and I just installed some requirements for I did a pip install of the necessary packages that I need for the application, and this is the result it gave me. The very first time I start up the app, I've got an error. Okay, so in my last video, I used exactly the same requirements to create my personal finance manager app. And I don't know what went wrong, but I think with this app, the same prompt that I gave to Antigravity, Google's Antigravity and GPT 5.1 Codex Max, Antigravity got the application right on the first go. When I started, everything worked well, as you can see from my last video. But GPT 5.1 Codex Max, their newest agentic coding model, and I even selected agent full access. when starting up, this is the error that I got. What did it say? duckdb, there's an issue with duckdb auto increment. Okay, so there's an issue with the backend database, but either way, I mean, there was an issue when I first started it out. So I'm going to prompt and see what we can do to correct this issue, but I think this is my first test with GPT 5.1 Codex Max. I don't really like the output, you know, the way it went about to sort of produce the final report of the work that it did as an agentic coding model. The one I did with Antigravity by Google, I really like it because it presented the implementation plan with all the tasks, and then it implemented it, and then it also gave me the walkthrough. Okay, in terms of GPT 5.1 Codex Max, this is what it gave me, just a description, brief description, and then some brief description on how to start the app. Okay, and then that's it. So yeah, this is my first experience with GPT 5.1. I'm not Codex Max. Using the agentic option here, full access, I am not really impressed for now for this first application, but yeah, what did you guys build with GPT 5.1 Codex Max? Please comment below. So maybe I got my prompting wrong. I'm not too sure, but I did everything that the agent here requested me to do, right? So I did a pip install of all the requirements, and yeah, so this is the error. I'll work through that and see how we can solve this, but basically this is my first experience. What have you guys found? Please comment below so we can all learn from each other. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in the next video.